choro. Buena, buena.
Hey brother, Goldberg, it's your boy Gromania here, and you know I want to be the chief donut maker. As you can see, we already got donuts here, and as you saw in my previous clips, I am quite the chef at making donuts, whether it's dry or on the snow. But that's not one of the reasons why I should be the chief donut maker. Here in the Motor City, Detroit, Michigan, we love our American muscle. So you know I need a charger, especially the red eye, which I know you guys are working on. My dad came here from Romania back in communist times 20 years ago just to live the American dream. And I think I can honor that dream by having one of the greatest American cars here in the Motor City. And as you can see, we have no car. So if it ain't Mopar, I don't want no car. So Goldberg, help your boy Gromania out, and I better hear from you soon. You better have a good day, brother.